Alright guys, today I'm doing an unboxing of this Polaroid Now. It's the Mandalorian edition, which came out on the 21st. If you didn't know, I'm a huge Mandalorian fan. And I'm a big Polaroid fan. So it went hand in hand. The other special edition one I had purchased before was the Stranger Things edition. And I have it right here, so I will compare them after I open this. So quick unboxing. This retails for about $100+. If you get the bundle, I believe it's like $180 with 3 packs of film. And I'm just a big Polaroid guy. I love Polaroids. Look at that. And of course I love the Mandalorian, so of course when they put out the special edition, it was like they made it just for me. Now this one charges using a micro USB, so they do give you a lanyard and a micro USB cable. Now I wish they changed this to Type C, because a lot of things are just moving to Type C, and Type C's are a lot more durable than these micro, but you get what you get. They give you some paper about the Polaroid Now, and yeah, just paperwork, cable, and lanyard. That's what comes in the box. Also, it comes in a really cool box. I normally throw the box away, which is pretty bad. I should normally keep this stuff, but yeah. All right. I'm not sure what the next special edition they're gonna have is gonna be, and I don't know, but anytime they put one of these collabs, I always end up buying it. So far it's been the Mandalorian one, and alright, no film comes in the box, so you're gonna have to buy a film pack. They roughly averages out to about almost $2 per film, and the new Mandalorian one, which I will show later in a different video after I go shoot some shots with it and play around with this Polaroid Now. So differences between this and like the standard one is of course the coloring, the Mandalorian color. This one does have the Mandalorian written in front along with Polaroid. It's got the Mandalorian colors, and it's got the signet for a mud horn if you watch the show. So let me see if you can see that better. Boom, boom. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll show some of the film. So when they released the Stranger Things one, this is the Stranger Things one. The cool thing about this one, this is a 1-step 2, right? So mechanism to unlock the bottom is right here on top. You put in your film right here, close it up. What is it? Viewfinder is, you know, offset, everything. Polaroid. It's just like the original 1-step 2. Minor differences is that there is a longer viewfinder, right? And you look through this one is just like you're kind of aiming. But all the buttons are the same from the original 1-step 2. Except Polaroid, like everything is upside down, right? So it's supposed to be like the upside down. There is nothing on the back of this one, and the differences are, they're about the same size. They do still have the long viewfinder, but to open this one, you push the side, film goes inside. This one also is supposed to have a better autofocus, I believe. I'm not too sure. I'll test all these things out. Self-timer is in the front. Self-timer is also in the front. Flash batteries. This one has a digital number to count down your film, whereas this one, the dots on top. Oh my god! Focus. Come on. Come on. Right there. So these dots will all light up. 8 dots, and then every time you shoot one, the dots go out until you're completely empty. So yeah, I also have a bunch of Stranger Things film that I've, you know, just carried throughout the year and just been shooting. Of course, it's been a slow year, so I haven't shot as much Polaroid normally if I go on a trip, but here you go. If you're thinking of picking up, if you're a Mandalorian fan and you're, you know, a Polaroid fan or want to pick up a Polaroid, this is it. I think it looks really cool. Oh, there is no tripod hole. So if you want to put it on a little tripod and take a selfie or take a group picture or any of that, you can't do that with the Mandalorian one. You're gonna have to just put it on the bottom. There is a quote on the bottom: an essential aspect of creativity is not being afraid to fail. Interesting. I will say that the bottom of the Stranger Things one has a little bit more attention to details, right? So it says official merchandise of Netflix, and then it also says property of NHL, which is Hawkins. What is it? Hawkins Laboratory. And then on the bottom, there's actually pictures of like a Demogorgon. So a little attention to detail like that. I like this quote. I have to look up this quote. But the Mudhorn logo is just dope. Just dope. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'll do, if you guys want me to do more comparison videos, or if you guys want to see the film, just let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more content like this, like and subscribe. If not, I'll see you next time. Have a good one.